you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Got another one?
I think so.
Okay.
I gotta check them fuses.
All right.
It keeps knocking the fuses out,
Okay.
or the relays out for the radiator fans. And
Oh, yeah,
it's
yeah.
overheating.
Okay, oh yeah, you gotta get that seen about. And you done swapped some stuff out since the last time, guys.
Yeah, whole new Tahoe.
Oh, this ain't the same one?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I'm thinking it's the same one. You had like the oldest body style when they first did. Was it the older body style?
Yeah, yep.
Okay. What you got running there, man?
So it's 5 ZV7 18s and 5 Salt 8Ks.
How long did it take you to put this together?
About a month.
No time. No time. Ooh, boy, you didn't play around.
I just got it playing last weekend, so.
You put all these subs in yourself?
Nah, teammates help me.
Okay. It's a group effort right here, ain't it?
Yeah, they're about 130 pounds a piece. So.
That's outrageous, man. I ain't never seen the ZV7s up close. Yes, sir.
Fuck it.
It's all right right there, man. This is nice right here. Let me know they can find you on social media, man.
Team hit 'em where it hurts.
Okay. Y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below. Good seeing you, man. Good seeing this video, man. Some nice one. Yes, sir. That's a nice one, too.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.